Hello guys, I thought that I should have to share that stack concept, that what I knew regarding it, and why this program, the written program, will print 6 times or 5 times by. ओके, तो सबसे पहले तो स्टैक क्या है वो जान लेते हैं। स्टैक यानी क्या चीज़ है, जैसे कि अपन बचपन में लगोरी खेले। ओके, सो व्हाट वाज देयर, एक सीधा लकड़ी होता था। ओके, और अपन सबसे एक बड़ा लगोरी यहाँ पे रखते थे, राइट। उसके बाद उससे छोटा यहाँ पे, उससे छोटा यहाँ पे, उससे छोटा यहाँ पे, उससे छोटा यहाँ पे, उससे छोटा यहाँ पे। ओके, तो स्टैक का कंसेप्ट क्या कहता है, जो सबसे आखिरी में आया वो सबसे पहले निकलेगा। ओके, तो सबसे पहले तो ये आया था, सेकंड पे ये आया, थर्ड पे ये आया, फोर्थ पे ये आया, अगेन फिफ्थ पे ये आया एंड सिक्स्थ पे ये आया। लेकिन निकलते टाइम पे ये पहले निकलेगा, मीन्स इट इज लीफो, लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट। सबसे लास्ट में जो आया वो पहले निकलेगा, तभी ये रिलीज हो पाएगा। ओके, सो इन प्रोग्रामिंग स्टैक का यूज कैसे होता है, मैं वो जितना मुझे पता है मैं तो आपको बता रहा हूँ। ओके, सो इन दिस व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, कंपाइलर इज रीडिंग फर्स्ट लाइन, इज एग्जीक्यूटिंग, फिर वो प्रिंट एफ करेगा %d a। सो व्हाट विल इट प्रिंट, it will print what is a value, it is a global variable, so it will print 1. Okay, then a plus plus, globally this a will become 2. Okay, now if a is equal to 6, no, it will go for and calling main function again. So what will happen, जब ये मेन फंक्शन को बुलाएगा, ये तो आपकी एक स्टैक हो गई। ओके, सो ये अनदर एक स्टैक क्रिएट करेगा। देखो अभी तक के सिर्फ यहाँ तक के एग्जीक्यूट हुआ है, हाँ। फिर ये अलग अपना मेन स्टैक क्रिएट करेगा, फिर सेम चीजें वही वॉइड मेन फुल टू फुल कॉपी करेगा ये फुल फंक्शन। ओके, printf %d, दिस इज स्टैक 1। ओके, दिस इज स्टैक 2, दिस इज स्टैक 1। ओके, सो स्टैक 2 में क्या होगा, फिर वो मेन से चालू करेगा अपना लाइन नंबर 1 एग्जीक्यूटेड, लाइन नंबर 2 एग्जीक्यूटेड, इट विल प्रिंट ए वैल्यू। व्हाट इज ए वैल्यू ग्लोबली, इट इज 2 नाउ, 2 विल प्रिंट। ओके, देन ए प्लस प्लस, ग्लोबली इट विल बिकम 3। ओके, देन दिस लाइन एग्जीक्यूटेड, he will check if a is equal to 6, no, he will directly go to the here. Now again main is called up to 7th line, it is over. Okay, so this will be ignored as this is completed. Now 7, 8, 9, 10 remain, here also 8, 9, 10 remain. Okay, let me cut these things, it is already executed, so third stack will be created. Okay, same thing will be copied again. So again first line will be executed, then again a value will be printed. What is a value right now, 3, so 3 is printed. Then again a plus plus will happen, now a value become 4. Okay, now if a is equal to 6, no, so this will be ignored. Again main is called. Okay, so again new stack will be created. Okay, so point to be noticed, 7, 8, 9, 10 is remain, here also 8, 9, 10 is remain, here also 8, 9, 10 is remain. Okay, keep in mind that. Now this main is function is called, now fourth stack will be created. Okay, so again whole program is copied again, void main. Now this fourth stack is created, so you got it now, this is first stack, second stack, third stack. Now we are here at fourth stack. Okay, so now let's execute this function, printf %d a, what is a value, 4 is printed. Now this line is clear. Now a plus plus will become 5, this line is clear. A is equal to 6, no, now this line will be ignored, this line will be this not. Again new stack is created. Okay, I forgot to write numbers here, 2, 3, 5, 6, something is missing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this should be a 7th, first should be this, so according to this 7th, 8, 9 and 10th. Okay, here also up to 7 it is over, 8, 9, 10th is remain. Okay, now fifth stack will be created. Fifth stack means again one more stack will be created, this is fifth one. Okay, now same function is copied again here. again it will be executed from the scratch. Scratch means from here, line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10th end. Okay, this will be executed. Now percent a what value? 5. So 5 value will be printed, and then a plus plus. Now it becomes 6th. Okay, now if a is equal to 6, true, value is true, then it will go to here, go to out. Now inside will go, 6th line will be executed and it will go to out. Where is out? Here is out. Okay, it will directly jump to the out. 7th and 6th will not execute it. Let's ignore it. Now when it will go out, printf by. Okay, now the real thing is here, printf by. Okay, by is printed one time. Now when this program will be over, it will go back from where it is called. Okay, so when the 10th line or these curly braces will be executed now, it will go back from where it is called. It is called from here. Okay, now this stack is cleared, means this 5th stack is cleared. Now it is gone on 4th stack. So on 4th stack, 8, 9, 10th was remain there. So now 8 lines will be remain. It is of none meaning. So it will print again this 9th line. 9 line will be executed by. 10th line will be executed. Now from where it is called? It is called from this here. Okay. So it will execute 8 line, none of meaning. It will again execute 9th line. So by. This now from where it is called? It is called from here. Okay. No, it is called from this. Okay, this stack is also cleared. Once this curly braces is reached, this stack will be cleared and this will reach here. Now 8 and 9th line. So now 8 line is none of meaning. Then again printf is there. Then it will print by. Then curly braces is reached. Then this function is over. Then it will go back from where it is called. It is called from here. Okay. Now it will also execute. Now 8. Now we are on the first stack, means here this stack is cleared, this stack is cleared, this stack is cleared. We are on the first stack. So on the 9th line, by will be printed and this stack is cleared. Now there is no stack, means program is cleared. Okay, this first stack is cleared, means no more. Now in this way program will be clear and we will get 5 bytes printed here. So according to me, logic of this is that. Okay guys. One more thing, in simple way we can understand this also. So one stack is created in this way. This is first stack. When it will call second main, so it will create it second stack main. When it will create it another, it is calling another function, then it will create it another main stack. So when this is clear, he will go back. When this is clear, he will go back. When this is clear, program end. Okay guys.